Justin, if someone, let's say an individual or entity, hires you to file a trademark for them, how long is that trademark good for in terms of being a protectable interest? And is there anything that they have to do to maintain it as being a protectable interest?
Yeah, so trademarks are actually kind of cool because once you get one, in theory, you can keep it forever. So you have to apply for it. And if it's granted, and that process usually takes about a year. It used to be shorter, but now it's like 8 months to a year kind of to get a trademark registration. Then once it's registered, you don't file your first renewal until it's between the fifth and sixth year. So call it 5 years. So you file a renewal at the 5 year mark, and then you file your next one at the 10 year mark. And then after that, it's every 10 years. So once these get going, you don't have to do a lot to maintain them, and they sort of grow in value is the idea. So yeah, so that's basically it. You just every interval, and it's not hard to renew, but you do have to submit evidence that you're still using it, and you have to submit these declarations that you're using it.
If an individual passes away, what's the process for renewing it or maintaining that interest beyond someone's death, let's say?
So rarely do I have people doing trademarks in their own individual name. Usually it's in their company name and it goes along with the company. But if somebody does have a trademark in their own name, it would be the same. Like wherever the business that was associated with went, presumably the trademark would go with that. But you can't separate it from whatever business it's attached to. So yeah, so that's basically it. It would follow your normal intestacy things, but you really want to make sure that you never separate them, because if you separate whatever the business activity is from the trademark, you'll invalidate the trademark. So you got to keep those together.